Adjusting volume and EQ. MixMeister gives you different ways to control volume, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. There are on-screen knobs which give you real-time feedback as you mix, and there are also very precise volume markers which let you perfect your mix in the studio. Let's take a look at the real-time controls first. On the left side of each strip on the timeline, you'll see volume knobs like this one. While your mix is playing, you can drag up or down on these knobs to control the volume of that strip. Let's try that now. Notice how the volume adjustments created a bunch of blue dots on the screen. These are called volume markers, and they give you incredible control when you want to go back and edit your mix. You can move volume markers up and down to raise or lower the volume, or even move them left or right to change their position in the song. The blue lines connecting the markers show you how the volume actually fades down or up during playback. You can add more markers if you want by right-clicking and choosing Add Volume Marker. If you need to delete a marker, just right-click it and choose Delete. To delete a bunch of markers all at once, just drag to select them all and then right-click. Once you get the hang of how these markers work, you can create very precise fades, cuts, or crossfader tricks, and you have complete control over the process at all times. If you don't like the way something sounds, you can always go back and make adjustments. These controls, for bass, mid-range, and treble, work the same way. You can make adjustments to a song in real time using the knobs, and then go back and touch things up by moving individual markers. Each knob sets markers of a different color, so you can keep everything straight. If you look on the other side of the timeline, you'll see VU meters here. Just like hardware VU meters, these show you the overall volume level of your mix at any point in time, and the peaks will flash red if your volume is causing distortion. You can adjust the volume for your entire mix with this Master Volume knob. Master Volume is a bit different because it doesn't set any markers on the timeline, and you can only use one volume setting for your entire mix. MixMeister can also connect to a variety of MIDI hardware controllers, and these can give you a much better live feel than using a mouse. Another advantage is that you can move several faders or knobs at once for simultaneous adjustments. And if you're using a motorized controller, you can let MixMeister move the hardware controls during playback, so it's easy to understand your settings at all times. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial. You can find information on advanced volume topics, like how to normalize your music files or how to use compressors, in the help file.